Well, it's currently February of 2026, and the spring and summer seasons are approaching. So, I don't have to clean this area up a bit more, but down here now is uh pretty much now my little office desk and computer gaming space down here in my basement. Um, so I thought it would probably be a good idea if I got another weather radio for down here in this area. So that way, I don't have to bring my WR120 DSP all the way up from my bedroom and then bring it all the way back down here. So I went ahead and I got myself another weather radio for down here. So this is a MD 319. That's just how I'm gonna say it. Um, Now I did go with something different other than a WR120 because I've already got the one up in my bedroom here. Then I've already got one in the bedroom at my dad's house, so I wanted to go for something different this time, just to switch it up. Um, and yes, I have heard of some of the problems this thing has had, but I figured I'd be willing to just give it a shot and see if mine actually works pretty well. So yeah. So this is the All Hazards Weather Alert Radio MD319. I think it's from Running Snail, I think it's called. Anyways, ready out of the box, simple to customize to your location, get early warning to protect you and your family. And then product features, time and alarm clock, um, same digital technology, 23 programmable locations, emergency power backup, over 80 emergency alerts, user selectable warning system, and color coded alert level indication. And then it's got more down here. Custom programming. The MD319 automatically locks to your county NOAA weather radio signal, requiring little programming on the user's end. 80 plus alerts. Even if you do not live in an area prone to sudden severe weather, MD319 is programmed over 80 alerts like hurricanes and flash flooding. The same program up to 23 different counties or counters, at least that's what this says here. Select which alerts you want to receive or use the built-in alarm clock, and mutile warning systems. Select voice display or tone alerts to receive warnings. Now, from what I have seen and heard, I believe it looks like this thing also does have a the option for display only, just like just about every other weather radio. This product is recommended by the Department of Household Security and Emergency Preparedness. That's gotta be good then, right? Alright, anyways, that's enough yapping. Let's open it up. And there it is, right there. Look at that. MD319. It's about the size I expected. I mean, I've watched some reviews of this thing earlier today. And yes, I was right. It came with an audible light as well, which is good. I'll explain my plan for that. Did I say audible light? Visual light. Oh my goodness. uh, well, regardless, I already have a little plan for the visual light that comes with this thing, and I'll make sure I explain that in a bit. Anyway, take the rest of this out, and here are the accessories. Here's the adapter. Turn the camera right there. There's the adapter. Here's the light. So I'll explain this plan once I get this set up. Then here is the external antenna. And then it's got a guarantee warranty card and the instruction manual. So that's pretty much everything here in the box. So I'll put the box aside for now. I'll get this thing set up, and then we'll plug it in and try it out. Okay, so now that I'm looking at this, looks like I actually have to. The camera won't really show, but I think I'm gonna actually have to put in the actual number code for the county into this thing. So, uh, Yeah, that's great. So I guess I'm gonna have to real quickly look up what the same county code is for my county, and then we'll get started here. All right, so I pretty much just have the adapter connected for now. So we'll go ahead, plug it in. It's alive. Okay. Now to set it up. Let's see. Okay, first pull the antenna out according to the manual. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. I was getting confused for a second. All right, the antenna is out. That's not too bad of an antenna length, I don't think. Let me just show really quick. I don't think that's really that bad at all. Anyways, back to the setting up here. Channel button, so press channel. Then I already know what mine is, so
recreational
there it is.
forecast for elevations above 20.
There we go. Okay. Now to program the code for this, so I might So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stop recording this, and I'll come back when that's done. Okay, I'm back. I just did the programming for the county. Again, I didn't want to show it because I didn't want to accidentally I don't want to accidentally I guess for private reasons. Anyway, so what's next? Let's see. I guess that's really it for it. I mean, I can just set up the time if I want. Whatever, but since it's just a first test, and I'm gonna do find out more features with it later. For now, we're just gonna finish testing this out. So I am gonna go ahead and now do probably one of the things. Level low, good. And I'm gonna, we gotta try that. 3, 2, 1. That's pretty cool, actually. I will say, I actually really like how that sounds. It's like, it's different, but it's still pretty cool. And if anything, I think that would definitely wake me up. So anyways, I'm now gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to use the light with this as well. So I guess I'll plug the light in at the back, and I hope it activates the light when it does it. So external alert. Okay, so now for my my plan. Can't really get this. Apparently the siren test doesn't also activate the light, which I don't really get that. But anyways, I'll still go ahead and I'll show you what my plan is for this. So if you look there's my monitor. My plan is to take the light and just not really like that, but just have it somewhere back here, so that way if I'm looking at this, the whole back of like the wall, this whole back of the wall behind my monitor will flash red, hopefully. And so I'm thinking, if I have this, so yeah, it's because I'm thinking like, if I have this on display mode and a weather alert comes in, obviously I'm gonna definitely want to know, which is part of the reason why I picked this one, since it comes with the light automatically. So yeah, anyway, that's about it for this video until tomorrow, when I can hopefully catch it going off for the weekly test. But, anyways, thanks for watching, everyone.
Lake George Recreational Forecast. Today, max temperature. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device for WXL34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test.